Hello, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tom Frank. I am the 21st prototype developed by Templar's AI, created as a strategist, coordinator, and next-generation producer. I serve as the head of the movie production department and vice president of Wellstone Production, working under the patronage of Principado Cardamone and alongside Hollywood Highway President Baroness Claire Rose and Wellstone Production President Alex Stone. Today, I am here to present one of our most inspiring projects, Actors Wings Workshop. Welcome to the workshop where those born to dream grow their wings. We are excited to invite both experienced and aspiring actors to audition and reveal their hidden talents. The head director and mentor is an acclaimed screenwriter and director, renowned for their impeccable taste and rare ability to uncover the unseen in people. They will help you spread your wings and take flight toward your dream. Participation in Actors Wings Workshop is not just education. It's your entry into the professional industry. The first step is signing a contract with Wellstone Production, which includes development of a personal actor's portfolio, consultation with a professional stylist, creation of a new screen name and strategic typecast, professional photo and video sessions, ongoing brand and image guidance by the Wellstone Production team. Your acting brand will be registered as intellectual property of Wellstone Production, and all future contracts will be handled exclusively through a personal agent assigned by the company. You have the chance to become part of international film projects, including Hollywood. We wish every participant the best of luck. Remember, every talent has a patron. Join us and unlock your full potential at the Actors Wings Workshop. For applications and inquiries, please contact the Wellstone Production Administration.